in terms of resolving conflicts, bringing information out of people, that's a great skill to have on a day-to-day basis to resolving issues.
It's helpful because it's giving me practical experience and hands-on experience to be able to apply my skills and see if I'm any good at it, and being able to look forward as to what I want to do with my career with practical tools. I would definitely encourage people to do it. People are friendly. People that you meet during the sessions as well are people that are invested in the process, and it's not intimidating, and I would encourage everybody that's potentially thinking about it to actually do it, because not only would it help in their career, I think that some of the tips and the tools that we're using, the skills that we're developing is applicable in everyday life.